What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix an unresponsive touchscreen on your iPhone. This common issue, sometimes referred to as touch disease, can stem from software problems or hardware malfunctions. There are several steps you can take to diagnose and potentially fix this issue without losing any data. First, the simplest solution is restarting your iPhone. This can resolve many temporary glitches, including touchscreen issues. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off screen. Drag the slider to the right to power off your device. Now, hold the power button again until the Apple logo flashes back on. A successful restart will fix the touchscreen issue. If restarting doesn't help, the next step is to check for software updates, which can fix bugs and may be causing the touchscreen problem. If restarting doesn't help, the next step is to check for software updates, which can fix bugs and may be causing the touchscreen problem. Navigate to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, install it. This might solve the issue if it's related to outdated or buggy software. If the touchscreen is still not responding correctly, consider backing up your data and performing a factory reset. To do a factory reset, open up your Settings app. Go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all contents and settings. Follow through the prompts and this will erase all the content from your device and restore it back to factory settings, which can eliminate any deep-rooted software issues that might be occurred due to installing malware-infested third-party apps. Remember to back up all important data before proceeding with this step. Should the problem persist, it might be a hardware issue with your device's touchscreen. In that case, it's time to contact Apple support. If your phone is still under warranty or covered by AppleCare Plus, repairs might be covered. Otherwise, they can still repair it, but there may be additional cost. By following these steps, you should be able to address most touchscreen issues on your iPhone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.